In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change reading pane in Outlook. The reading pane is the preview area that lets you read emails without fully opening them. Adjusting it can make your inbox easier to scan, help with privacy, and better fit your screen. We'll walk through where to find the setting and what each layout does, so you can choose the one that matches how you work. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your mail and settings load. Once your inbox is visible, we're ready to adjust the view. At the top of the Outlook window, select the View tab. This opens the ribbon, which controls how your mailbox looks and behaves. In the ribbon, look for the section labeled Layout. That's where Outlook groups options like Folder Pane, Message Preview, and the one we're focusing on today, Reading Pane. Click Reading Pane to open its menu, then choose the layout you prefer. Show on the right places the preview beside your message list. This is the default view, and it's great on wider screens because you can scan the list on the left and read the selected email on the right without switching windows. It keeps your place in the list and makes it quick to process a lot of messages. Show on the bottom moves the preview underneath your message list. This can be more comfortable on smaller or narrower displays because it gives each email more horizontal room for long subject lines and reduces side-to-side scrolling. If you often read longer messages or work on a compact laptop layout, the bottom pane can feel more natural and balanced. Hide, sometimes labeled Fill Screen or Off, depending on your version of Outlook, removes the reading pane entirely so you only see the message list. This is useful for maximum privacy in shared spaces, or when you want a clean list for triaging without previews. When the reading pane is hidden, double-click a message to open it in its own window, then close it to return to your list. You can switch among these options at any time, and the change takes effect immediately. If your needs change throughout the day, revisit the View tab, open the Reading Pane menu, and pick a different layout. That's all there is to it. Adjusting the reading pane takes just a few clicks, but it can make Outlook feel faster, clearer, and more comfortable for the way you work.